Hey everyone, it is Daily Linux here, and as a new user to Manjaro, I know there are many new users to Manjaro as well. I just wanted to show you a little tutorial on how to auto mount your hard drives in your on your account slash operating system without having to modify any system file in your computer, which you may or may not feel comfortable doing so. A lot of forums that I read up on told me that you have to modify the fstab file, and they tell you to go to file system, etc. Scroll all the way down to fstab, and then modify the fstab and tell which drive you want to auto mount, and you'd add it manually. I disregarded this because I didn't feel comfortable modifying this because it is very awkward for me to do this because I'm still new to Manjaro myself, or even Linux in general, and I don't feel like messing with this to cause the system to crash or anything like that. So I found a way to tell my hard drives to auto mount without having to modify any system file like fstab or anything like that. So I just closed this out, and what I did was I went to the add and remove software in Manjaro, and then I hit the search button and then search Gnome Disk. Once you've searched it, it should show up as Gnome Disks down here. Select Gnome Disk, install it. Once it's installed, you can close out that, and then go to your start section here, search disk, and then the disk application should pop up right here. Manage drives and media. Select that, and this should show up right here on your screen. Select the drive that you want to have auto mounted. For example, for me, I'm going to show you that my 4 terabyte drive is currently mounted, but I'm still going to show you how to tell your drive to auto mount. So you select the drive that you want. For my example here, it's storage for me, for you to show, for I can show you. I am not speaking any proper English, apparently. Select the little gears, additional partition options, select edit mount options. Once you have done that, this little window should pop up. Uncheck system defaults, because by default it should be set to session default. Turn that to red. All right, because if you don't, you won't be able to modify to tell the system to mount at system startup. Make sure it's like this in red. Select mount at system startup. All right, and then once that's done, that should be mounted. Should auto mount at every system startup. I selected show in user interface, so basically it's showing up in here or anywhere else in the file system as well. They show up here in the file system as well if you wish. Like if you search something else under files and stuff like that, that should show up there. You don't have to have that checked. I think by default it's unchecked by default. I have it checked so it can show up in anywhere else in my system if I don't know where to look. You have an option to tell it to identify as. You don't have to worry about that if you do wish, but I told my system or the program here, Gnome Disk Utility, to identify as storage, because there's a little text down here you may have not seen or just noticed it just moments ago. Matches any device with given label. So if you've labeled your hard drive, let's say for my example here, it's my hard drive is named storage. So it should show up in the list here, identify as storage or whatever name you want it to name it by. I told it to identify by label storage, and that's all I wanted to do. And then once it's done, you selected what you wanted to label it as. I pressed OK, and there you go. Your system should automatically auto mount your hard drive that you have told it to auto mount. And basically this Gnome utility will modify the fstab to tell the operating system to auto mount your hard drive. So you don't have to modify the fstab yourself manually. The program here that you downloaded and I showed you here does it for you, so you do not have to worry about modifying any system file which you don't feel comfortable modifying or anything like that. So this is how I done it, and hopefully this will be helpful for you and to anyone else who wants to auto mount their hard drives on Manjaro or in any Arch Linux distro, and hopefully this will help you in future needs. Thanks again for watching, and this is Daily Linux signing out. Take care.